GarageBand for Mac's feature-packed drummer tracks have everything you need to create fantastic sounding rhythm sections. GarageBand's smart controls do a pretty good job of allowing you to affect different parts of your virtual drum kit. But what if you want even more control when mixing your drums? In this quick tip video, I'll show you how. Okay, so first of all, you'll need to have created a drummer track and tweaked the pattern and fills, etc. to your liking. If you haven't got this far yet, I'll pop a link in the description below to a video where I walk you through how to set up a drummer track in GarageBand for Mac and how to get the most out of its features. Next, create a new software instrument track. Now, select either the individual drummer region you want to edit or click on the drummer track's track header to select all regions. Copy your selected regions. You can select copy from the edit menu in the toolbar at the top of the screen or use the keyboard shortcut Command and C. Select your newly created software instrument track and paste, again either using the paste option in the toolbar or by using the keyboard shortcut Command and V. Now that your drummer track is in software instrument form, you'll need to select a drum kit from the library pane. You can separate the different parts of the drum kit and copy-paste them into software instrument tracks of their own. An easy way to do this is to select the software instrument track that you've pasted your drummer regions into and open the editor window, either by clicking the scissors icon in the top left of GarageBand's screen or by using the keyboard shortcut E. You can select all of the MIDI notes in a row by clicking on the corresponding key at the left of the editor window, and again, copy them. Now open a new software instrument track and paste your copied MIDI notes into that track. Rinse and repeat for each part of your kit that you want to separate. Now that that's done, you can apply compression, reverb, panning, and other effects to each part of the kit separately. Yes, it's definitely more time consuming, but can really raise the quality of your finished track and project overall. That'll about do it for this quick tip. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. Bye for now.